What's up, Restomods? We're here in the shop with our 69 Charger RM13 giveaway car, and we're gonna talk to you a little bit about the taillights on this car. So we decided to do an LED upgrade from DigiTails on this car. And as most of you know, 69 Charger taillights are a super iconic design theme on this car. Everybody who's seen either the Dukes of Hazzard or Bullet with the chasing, everybody knows these taillights. They got a little bit away from 68, had the afterburner look, and these ones are nice and wide, so they really lend themselves to the upgrade we did. And these are LED sequential taillights now. So we replaced the entire taillight panel from the backside, but used the stock original lens, and they're much brighter now, so they'll really help out on the road. And honestly, most people are only gonna see the tail of this car anyway, so we might as well make it look good. So a quick little demo, you can see brake lights on this thing. They kind of light up from the inside out because we have them on sequential mode. And you can see left-hand turn signal. Really cool how it flashes through the sequence there, and then right-hand turn signal. No one's gonna mistake which way you're trying to go or change lanes with these. And that's exactly what we wanted. So really neat, modern upgrade, brings the lighting into the modern age, but still has that classic feel. And we hope you guys like it. As always, check out restomods.com and get entered to win this 69 Charger.